Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where we explore the beauty of nature through art. Today, we embark on a journey through the rugged paths of the mountain as we follow Rosie's brushstroke and creative vision. The crisp mountain air invigorates Rosie's sense as she captures the essence of these towering giants on her canvas. Each stroke tells a story of resilience and grandeur. Leaving the mountains behind, Rosie sets sail on the calm water of the lake, where the reflections of the surrounding landscape dance with the rhythm of her brush. With every stroke, Rosie intertwines the elements of sky and water, merging the boundaries between reality and imagination. Join us up next time for another chapter of Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where every journey is a masterpiece in the making. As the colors blend and meld together, Rosie's artwork becomes a reflection of her inner journey, capturing not just the sights but the emotions stirred by the mountains and the waters. In this moment, amidst the stillness of nature, Rosie finds her muse. Each stroke of her brush echoes the whispers of the mountains and the gentle lapping of the waves against the board. Join us in Rosie's artistic odyssey. Thank you very much.